Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. I have some things to share with you that I purchased from scrapbook.com. And I don't know if you've ever ordered from scrapbook.com, but they ship extremely fast. It's like super quick that you get your items, so I like that about them. So let me show you what I got. So first up, I purchased a few items from Prima's Diamond Collection. I picked up the ephemera, and I also picked up the, the crystals, the Say It in crystals. These are so nice. And I also picked up the chipboard. Front and back. I've used one, so I'll show you that card in a moment. So one of the things that I did is on the paper pad, I have a 6x6 paper pad. They have an image that I really wanted to use, but I didn't want to use it in the form of the paper pad. So I cut her out. I fussy cut her out. I put her on some thicker paper, glued it, and then I fussy cut it out the image so I can use this as some ephemera. So that's an idea that you may want to use. So I'll share the card that I made. I made this super cute card. Used the word courage. I used some ribbon from my stash, and if you've watched my channel for any length, you know this is like my favorite ribbon ever made, and I'm in love with this ribbon. I could use it almost on every project, but I thought it looked cute. And then this is a little piece that was from the ephemera pack along with this, and then I did put a little bit of glossy accents on the flowers, but you can barely see it. But I thought the card came out beautiful. What do you guys think? So then I picked up some paper from Echo Park. I was watching I think Natalie on here on YouTube. Her channel was Put Some Bling on it, and she showed these papers, and yeah, I had to buy some. So this is from Echo Park, and this is a slice of summer. And this one is called journaling cards, even though it has these adorable cherries on it. But then you just flip it over, and it has these adorable journal cards, or cut apart as I like to call them. Look at that. That's so pretty. And then I got a couple of those. And then this one is called multiple journaling cards. But look at this side. Once again, it's cute little popsicles and snow cones. Not snow cones, but ice cream cones. And super cute. But then on this side, you have some awesome cut aparts. Look at that. It's so cute. It's a tag. Super adorable. And then I got two of those. And then look at this one. It's once again 4x4 journaling cards, but look on the opposite side is these really cute strawberry, just adorable. And then you turn it over, and yep, you got some cute, what they call journaling cards. I call them cut aparts. Look at that, so cute. Oh, adorable. And then this sheet is called, I think, 3x4 journaling cards. So these are the journaling cards for the 3x4. Super cute. Barbecue grill. I'm getting ready to grill in a minute. Put some steaks out on the grill. And then on this side it's just butterflies and dragon. What are they called? Snapdragons? I'm not sure. And flowers. Just once again, super cute paper from Echo Park. And then I think this is it. Last but not least, this is the lemon blue design, I think it's called. Look at those lemons. And then on the other side, it's called lemon. And it's blue with squiggly notes. So, yeah, thanks, Natalie, for showing that beautiful paper that I had to have. So, next up from scrapbook.com, I picked up some Alte&New items. I really love Alte&New. So I got this ephemera. It's a 19-piece ephemera. It's called Enjoy the Ride. And this one is the Blooming Ephemera, it's called. And so I'll show you on the back what this looks like. Cute. And then I picked up the Bouquet Builder from Enjoy the Ride. And it's 26 piece. I did make a card with this. I don't have it to share. I sent it off. It was a really quick card I made for a birthday. Just some really, and I think I ordered this again because I knew that I was going to utilize all of this. And then the paper, just super pretty, 12 by 12. This is called Enjoy the Ride, and it's Enjoy the Ride is this collection, and this one is Breezy. And this is the opposite side, and this one is called Clement. Love green. Green is like my favorite color. This is okay. Oh man, look at this. I'm just looking at this and loving it. It's called Fresh. Just so vibrant, so pretty. And then on the flip side, it has this like dreamy watercolor brush look, pink, pretty. This one's called Brisk. Just so different. And then it has this really like geometrical looking pink. And I think this is my favorite, I think. And it's called Blustery. That is just downright pretty. And then on the back it has this wispy, you can barely see it, blue, just like wisps of color. You can kind of see it. My camera isn't picking it up too well. And then, last but not least, Hazy. This kind of reminded me of Christmas a little bit with the red, I think. I don't craft a lot with red other than at Christmas time and maybe 4th of July, but this is pretty. And the flip side is kind of like dangerous looking. Sorry, my phone is beeping. I'm turning her off. So that was from paper from Echo Park 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. And then I got some Maggie Home stuff, of course, you know, just like everybody else. But I did pick up this ephemera set. It's 44 pieces, and it's from the Marigold collection. So I really like that. It's got those flowers, and I really like the gold ones. Butterflies, and just super nice. And then I picked up the Garden Party, like everybody and their mama. The ephemera, it's 40 piece. I know you guys seen it. Then I picked up the 12 by 12 chipboard. I had really gotten rid of a lot of my chipboard, and then I wanted some chipboard and couldn't find it at Tuesday morning anymore, so I was kind of disappointed. And then so I picked up this one just to have in my stash and to use also. I like using chipboard. I don't use it often, but I like some of the elements on here very much. The birds and what is that thing called? That's is that a partridge? I don't know. And then the little bee with the flower wings. Super cute. And then I also picked up some more of the paper. I really like these honeybees a lot. I really do. So I got several honeybee pages. I didn't like the paper pad itself, the whole paper pad, but I like the honeybees and I like the flip side too. And then I picked up the florals. Oh, flip side is the like hand-drawn dots. And I know you guys see this. And this I think is my favorite. Well, the bees are my favorite. But these are like my second favorite. These are the Garden Party, and it's So S-O-W-N. Just so pretty, whispery, pink. I like that. And then I picked up the Garden Greens. This is some cut aparts. I don't like all of them. I don't know. We'll see. I don't like that this one is cut off. But let me try to make it work. We'll see. Oh, flip side is really pretty green. And then I have the Garden Party cut aparts. It's called Taking Notes. And then on the flip side is that. So that's my video I have to share with you today from items that I purchased at scrapbook.com. I'm looking for my card to show you one more time. And like I said, this is the card that I made from the diamond collection. I think it turned out really cute. So thank you guys for watching. I have a couple more haul videos coming up, so stay tuned. And for all of you that are subscribers, I appreciate you subscribing, especially the new subscribers that I've gotten recently. I really appreciate it. And of course, those who have been along for the ride for a long time, thank you. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I don't say that enough, I think, in my videos. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.